students, greetings from Learn to Lead Academy. AIMA has announced MAT 2025 December exam dates. In this video, we are going to see the complete details about the exam pattern, fee structure, and list of MBA colleges which accepts MAT score, and also about the super fast online crash course conducted by Learn to Lead Academy. And now, let us see what are the advantages of taking MAT exam. First advantage is flexibility. You can take the exam both in paper-based test as well as computer-based test. And the value of aspirants and affordable fees, high returns in opportunities in excess. Proven legacy. For 35 years as a trusted gateway to management education, AIMA is conducting MAT examination. And this exam is chosen by 30 lakh candidates spanning decades of excellence and trust across generations. And also, nationwide, 600 plus top and leading B schools across India accepts MAT score. And it is also approved by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. And the test is conducted in two modes, paper-based test as well as computer-based test. And AIMA now has announced the exam dates for December MAT 2025. The registration closes for paper-based test on 7th December 2025 and the test date is on 13th December. You can download your admit card on 10th December. And coming to computer-based test, registration closes by 15th December 2025 and the admit card you can download on 18th December. The test date is on 21st December 2025. And let us see the test modes. There are two test modes. One is paper-based test and another one is computer-based test. For both the test modes, you should reach the center, allotted center by AIMA. And coming to examination fee, if you take either paper-based test or computer-based test, the cost of exam fee is Rs 2,100. And if you want to take both the examination, the fee is around 3,800. Coming to examination pattern, there are 150 questions which you need to attempt in 120 minutes. Language comprehension, intelligence and critical reasoning, mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, economic and business environment. From each section, you need to attempt 30 questions. In total, you should attempt 150 questions in 120 minutes. And the negative marking is 0.25. And let us see what are the documents required for applying for the MAT examination. So applying for MAT examination is very easy if you have valid email ID, scanned photograph, scanned signature and payment. And let us see the list of colleges which accepts MAT score in Chennai. Present School of Business, MCC, Boyd, Tandon School of Business, Rajalakshmi School of Business, SSN School of Management, Xavier, Chennai. And in Coimbatore, Amrita, Firebird, Sri Krishna colleges accepts MAT score. And in Madurai, Tyagaraja School of Management, RL Institute of Management Studies. And in Bangalore, ABBS School of Management, Acharya Bangalore B School, Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies, Acharya Institute of Technology, AIMS Institute, Alliance School of Business, Azim Premji University, CB Bandari Jain College, Christ University, CMR University School of Management, East Point College of Higher Education, Indus Business Academy, Institute of Health Management Reserve, International Institute of Business Studies, International School of Business and Media, ISBR, Jagdish Shet School of Management, Jain University, MP Birla Institute of Management, MS Ramaiah, NITT School of Management, NSB Academy, PES Academy. And Presidency University, Ramaiah Institute of Management Studies, Ramaiah University of Applied Sciences, RV Institute of Management, St. Joseph's Institute of Management. These colleges accept MAT score, Coimbatore, Chennai, and if you are looking to join these colleges in management program, definitely you should take MAT 2025 December examination and you should score 650 please. Admissions are open for CAT, MAT, and TANSET 2026 online course. The new batch begins from October 25th. If you want to enroll for this MAT 2026 batch, visit our website learntolead.in and enroll today to join top MBA institutions across India. This is the best chance. We provide live and recorded sessions with online mock test for your MAT 2026 exam preparation. Enroll today to be a next topper. 100 plus LTL students are already studying in top MBA colleges across India. Now it's your turn.